Hello, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you 3 must-do tasks to help yourself secure a remote job in 2024. The first task is to look at the last 1 or 2 applications that you submitted. Look at the job description and compare it to your resume. Are there any skills or personality traits or experience that were essential to the role that you didn't include in your resume? Spend some time on that comparison because it can definitely improve your chances if you have all of those skills and keywords that they've used in the job description actually within your resume. Also, look at your resume template and is it easy to scan by a human and also software? Does it have crazy colours or fonts or graphics? Keep it simple when it comes to your resume. So spend some time reviewing the resume to previous jobs you've applied for. Task number 2 is again related to the resume, but come at it from a perspective of you want to stand out from all of those other applicants. You have to remember that remote jobs are becoming rarer and rarer, so you need to be able to stand out. And how can you do that? Well, one way is looking at your previous work experience. Rather than focusing on the tasks that you did in that role, think about the achievements that you and your team worked towards that help the company achieve their goals. So measurable achievements. Give you an example. You could put that you helped increase the sales by 20%. You could say that your support skills helped decrease the number of negative reviews for the products or service that you worked on. Think about stats, measurable achievements, and include those instead of listing all of the tasks. Task number 3 is a mistake that I see so many remote job seekers make. And because they have many years of experience, they try and apply for 2 or 3 different roles, and instead what you really need to be doing is focusing on one role. When it comes to applying for remote jobs, you need to tailor your resume to that job, and if you are having to do that for every single role, it becomes complicated, it becomes time consuming. So what I suggest you do is really think about what one role that you could apply for in 2024 and focus on that at least for the first 3 months. Now, I said there was 3 tasks, but this is a bonus and it's vital. Most remote job seekers will wait for an opportunity to appear on a remote job board. But what you need to do is open more doors. You don't want to be waiting until jobs fall into your lap. You need to be going out there and being active. And the best way to do this is to think about your previous work experience and skills, and also the industry and sector that you used to work in. Even think about the competition for the companies that you used to work for, and write down 6 companies. What I want you to do then is to go onto their website, to the careers page, and see if there are any opportunities listed. What you have to be aware of is that not every company advertises jobs on remote job boards. So going through the careers page and having a look at the opportunities available, and if there are no jobs for your role, the next step is to send them your resume with an email telling them why you need to be hired, why you are going to help them achieve their company goals. How can you help them achieve and be successful? That's what you need to come across when you are sending in your resume. I hope you found this video useful. Please do subscribe to my free monthly email. It's called The Hive and it's got a ton of advice in there to help you secure a remote job. I'll put a link down in the description. Also on this screen here, I will also link to another video for you to learn more about how to secure a remote job in 2024. Until next time, good luck with your remote job search.